Somebody pay many ya golo khana to counting ang ito counting ni bising kan nang lukurok no ta message rin.
Good evening, my dear friends. Khana ni bagai kaisa no short and simple message tong lai. Please maintain peace. Please maintain khana ni sob theke important because we the indigenous people of Tripura we don't support violence. Chung agi ni sibina peace loving chini culture chini tradition bu ni sai different chung peace maintain khayu. Party ni different ideologies tongi manu toni different nahar mung tongi manu but every political party every leader every supporter we should respect each other. Abnu khana ni message please maintain peace.
Chomari Fakanga Gito, Kabama Tungrung Bodolo Batalayu, Hagaba Krano Sharai Sharai Tanai, Sabo Kaplang Nasha Chennai, Abnoti, Kaplakation of the Tama message Namuto. Take candidate Tomerno.
Candidate Tomerno Ang as a candidate, I feel that you win at 7 or you win at 70. You will be called winner. So do not take politics too seriously because the shoes you are wearing today will not even fit after 2 years. So this is what I am going to tell. We should remain firm with our ideology, with our core ideology. We should not get diverted. That's what I will say.
I guess Harno Takashumu, Taklani Chong Marito Balano, Tumplaja and Mono Hekaba Balano, Chirias and Himano, attacking a get Cabo by Kabama party, but I have Tinini or the Krani counting Rezalo, Kabama, Patina Baraj, part of Batalaja, Hekaba Krano, slash Rangitanai, Moharas in the Harmo Mentamo, Hekaba, Kubun party by Alan Chitan again, main step Tam Nahasan Pulani.
Chini Pula step Tamonahne Abu Bogran Simone. The rules are set, his decision will prevail. And the thing is, our Tipra Motha, we Tipra, we talk about jobs, health scenario, education, infrastructure. Chini chung mandir masjid no ti politics khaya. We do politics where we need to do, where where there will be no societal problems. Chung chini naharmung kaisano Tiprasa ni bahike hamkraing nai. That is our core ideology.
Sate kaisa paitak sungmung media exit poll rong no tuile nang tam sanai.
Exit poll ni methodology wrong. Exit poll ni sample nazat mani onek size small. Borok kisi sa borok by cox hawi se exit poll report sanam sa botak lai. Exit poll no ti yang agencies jara tongnai borok no bang sanamu sungo tai media rok no sanamu sungo. Chini media Bharat Bhaktoro in the entire country, in the entire world, we are ranked 150 in journalism. So this is the reason. Abo kaisa tradition in the thanga exit poll report survey khane rokni. Borok election ni last moment of hayo polling ni 2 din sekang hayo 2 din sekang hayi borok ni survey office room survey. They don't even get out of their closet. Office room or tongi borok survey khayu. De telephonic survey. TS jeta hano. Telephonic survey khayi borok chini Tiprasa sabono vote rakha ba entire Tripura sabono vote rakha abo borok bahike saimanai. They don't even come out. They don't even come in front of the polling station. So exit poll bahike khanana. Tabo different agencies saka tribals rock 51% se support khai vote khai which is false. Obo sudu chini Tiprasa eba Tipramotha ni supporters rock na misguide khaina ni bagi se or exit poll report phunuk jabo agencies rock ni thani obo no painai. Please come out of your closet, come out of your AC room, go to polling stations, take maximum samples. Borok ni sample tamo 0.002% if I'm not wrong. Borok ni survey. Hingkai nung asak sample by kaisa polling station nung ekjon borok na sungma by nung bahike exit poll ni report rima. So that is absurd.